Okay, assalamu alaikum everyone. Here students, we are dealing with question number 9 of the same topic, volume and surface area. It's chapter 14 and the questions have been taken from the workbook 1. Workbook 1 is actually connected with the D1 series book and it's the Cambridge curriculum. So in question number 9, they say each dormitory comes in the form of a cuboid of dimensions 12 meter long, 7 meter wide and 3 meter high. Now what is dormitory? Dormitory is kind of a hall in a school or hostel in which students are like for residence of students, and like I'll show you a picture which will clear your understanding about this dormitory. The beds are laid over each other, and this one dormitory is designed for a number of students or a number of people to live in. So here you go with the picture. So this kind of picture, you can say this is kind of dormitory. So so there would be many beds in this dormitory like this one. So they say that there's a dormitory and the dimensions of that room is 12 meter long, 7 meter wide and 3 meter high. Now they're saying each student, now the students who are supposed to live in that dormitory, they have to take at least 14 meter cube of air. 14 cubic meters of air mean 14 cubic meters of the space is required for one student when he is in the dormitory. So now we need to find the volume of the air contained in each dormitory. Volume of the air, definitely volume of the air mean the volume of the total the whole dormitory, and then further we'll find out how many students can live in when each of the students need at least 14 cubic meters of the air. So let us calculate the volume of the dormitory first of all. Keeping in mind one thing, this dormitory is rectangular in shape, so it's a cuboid. So the formula for volume of cuboid is very simple, and it was explained in the previous videos as well. Length into width into height. It's that simple. So let us now put the values in the formula. Volume is equal to 12 is the length, so 12, and then 7 width, and then height is 3 meter. 252 is the total air that is contained in this dormitory, and we'll put cubic meters with it because three quantities have been multiplied, each having meter, so in the end that meter will be also cubed. Now let us calculate how many students can adjust in this specific dormitory. Okay, now we know that one student will take at least 14 cubic meters of the space. 14 cubic meters. So now we have to calculate how many 14 cubic meters can be taken out of this 252. Like how many 14 cubic meters are there in this 252, and so for that we need to divide it by this 242. So it's very simple, you need to divide these both quantities. 252 divided by 14, so that will answer in. So that becomes total 18. So this means 18 students can be adjusted in this dormitory, which was having dimensions of 12 by 7 by 3. So total number of students which can be adjusted in this dormitory are 18, where each student has to have space of at least 14 cubic meter.